Hi, I am Raj Madhav. I am a senior design engineer working in Zeal Medical. Zeal is exclusively making products for neonatal and pediatric care, which supports the critical needs and help in reducing the mortality rate. Before adapting SolidWorks, we were not using any CAD software, and most of our processes were just like technical documentation, some kind of marketing materials, all were handled manually. This is the time that we realized that we need to represent our product professionally. During the pandemic, August 2020, we realized that some kind of professional solution is needed to support our technical drawings, high quality rendered images, product documentation like catalog, brochure and manuals. Then we partner with Beacon and implemented SolidWorks. Today we use two licensed SolidWorks Professional with Visualize Standard and SolidWorks Composure. These two tools are very helpful to us. It helps us in creating 2D drawings for technical documentation and produce high definition images for marketing materials such as catalogs, brochure, etc. etc. It also enables us to prepare user manuals and service manuals in a very effective way. Our product development process is very unique. We outsource our design and development process. Even then, the SolidWorks has fit seamlessly into our workflow. It supports both our internal requirement and external collaboration, making communication and documentation smoother. One of the biggest values we have gained is in documentation and marketing purposes, in creation of product promotional material. SolidWorks has really helped us in present our product professionally, both technically and visually. This was something we were struggling earlier. Our association with Beacon has been very supportive. From the initial onboarding stage, where we struggle little bit to implement the software into our design process, to the later year, their team has been very responsive and knowledgeable. Beacon has guided us not only in implementing the software but also exploring its application to its maximum value. Their subscription service ensures that we always have access to update training and quick support wherever needed, especially the new enhancement which we can integrate it into our existing software. Our industry is highly competitive, where presenting product effectively is very important. SolidWorks has given us an edge in publishing professional, high quality marketing content. Now we can communicate better with the customer through detailed documentation and visually appealing product. To summarize, working with Beacon and SolidWorks added great value to our organization. It has simplified our documentation process, improved our marketing content and made us more efficient. We would recommend other companies to explore SolidWorks through Beacon if they are looking to enhance their design and documentation workflow.